In this video, I want to help you understand why agentic AI is not just another AI trend, but a real shift that's reshaping the industry. And it's opening up a brand new career paths right now. Now, by the end of this video, you will see clearly how the certification connects directly to the opportunities in the real world. Now, when we consider this agentic AI and working and creating these agents across the industries, the enterprises are moving from simple chatbot to autonomous agent. The traditional bots could answer the question, but they could not act. And that's where the agentic AI comes into picture. The agentic AI enables the automation across entire workflow. And this will actually I repeat, practical AWS machine learning. The agentic AI enables the automation across entire workflows, sensing, reasoning, and taking the action. And this is happening right now. The finance, healthcare, retail, IT, all are adopting the agentic AI because it saves time, it reduces the cost, and it drives innovation. And this adoption curve is accelerating in every sector. Now, with this shift that is happening in the industry, there actually increases the career opportunities. The organizations now urgently require the professionals who can design, build, and manage the agentic system. So that's a reason that we see that more and more new roles are emerging, like the agent developer, AI solutions engineer, AI architect. So these are not just futuristic roles. I can say that these are the roles that the companies are hiring for them today. And having the certificate, that is NVIDIA Certified Professional Agentic AI certification, having this certificate will help you pass the signal to the employers that you are ready to step into these high demand roles with real credibility. If I want to give you some of the examples across the industries where agentic AI is changing the way that we are working right now, in finance, the agentic AI powers the fraud detection and personalized finance assistant. In healthcare, it handles the patient intake, triage, and even clinical summarization for doctors. In education, we see study buddies and grading assistant that support both teachers and students. In retail, agent co-pilots transform the customer service and deliver personalized shopping experience. And in IT and DevOps, the agents automate runbooks, monitor logs, and even propose safe fixes. So these are not just theoretical, these are some things which are happening today. Now the question is, why now? I mean, why is this shift happening now? There are two reasons for this. First, the explosion of the large language model. And the second is the growing requirement for automation at scale. With frameworks like LangChain and NVIDIA's ecosystem tools like Nemo, NIM, and Triton, what used to be research experiment are now the production ready system. The organization, they don't want just AI theory anymore. They are actually looking for the people who are having these applied AI skills. And that's what this course is here and this certification is here to give you. So, some of the key takeaway from this video. Agentic AI is reshaping the industries and it is creating entirely new career path. And this course helps you prepare for the certification success. And we have the launchpad whenever you're ready, which offers the path beyond the certification into the mastery and real impact. So stay focused, keep practicing, and Remember that you're stepping into one of the most exciting growth areas in technology today. I'll see you next time, guys. Alright, guys, so this was just one video on this module one of full NVIDIA certified professional agentic AI certificate preparation course. Now, in case if you'd like to access and continue access all the hands-on labs, videos, projects, including the examination preparation module, you can enroll on our website. The link is in the description below. If you are able to complete this video till the end, I would think that there's something that resonates between us, and I'm excited to help you in your certification preparation journey, and I'll see you on our portal. But more importantly, I wish you all the very best, no matter where you are in your agentic AI preparation journey. So stay with us, subscribe to our channel for more free content.